View: first person, third person limited, third person omniscient. Point of view: the vantage point from which a story is told can affect your understanding of characters and events. Point of view is created by a writer's choice of narrator, the voice that tells the story. The character may be a character in the story or an outside observer. First person, the narrator, is a main or minor character in the story, uses the pronouns I and me to refer to himself or herself, share his or her thoughts, feelings, and opinions of other characters and events, does not know the thoughts, feelings, and opinions of other characters. Third person limited. The narrator is not a character in the story, but an outside observer. Zooms in on the thoughts, feelings, and opinions of one character. Third person omniscient. The narrator is not a character in the story, but an outside observer. Is all knowing, that is, he or she has access to the thoughts, feelings, and opinions of all the characters